Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the sensitive content filter on Instagram. It's a quick and simple process, so make sure to stick around till the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. To turn off the sensitive content filter on Instagram, follow these easy steps. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. A new screen will appear with various settings options. Scroll down to the What You See section and tap on Suggested Content. In this section, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Sensitive Content. Here, you can adjust the level of sensitive content you see in your feed. Select Less to disable the sensitive content filter. Instagram might ask you to confirm your selection. Once you confirm, your changes will be applied and more content will be visible in your feed and Explore section. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials.